Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. So if you maybe received the photo and you want to recover it after you also already saw it and it's a View Once photo, then this is the tutorial for you. So it's pretty difficult to actually recover a WhatsApp View Once photo, but it's not impossible. So basically, as you can see, View Once photo or media can be restored from backup if the message is unopened at the time of the backup. If the photo or video has already been opened, the media will not be included in the backup and cannot be restored. Now, this is from the official help center on WhatsApp. However, there is a way to do this, but it's not really a traditional way. So as you can see, once you open the View Once media, it's game over. The feature is set up in such a way that file will be permanently deleted once the recipient opens it. However, you can use third-party tools such as GB WhatsApp, right? So GB WhatsApp is like an application that lets you that has extended extended settings, and is basically essentially a WhatsApp clone that extends some features of the original app. Now, keep in mind this comes with its own risks. It's not officially supported, and one of its features is the anti-View Once. So it allows you to overcome the limitation by set by WhatsApp, and allows you to open View Once photos unlimited times. So obviously this feature is great, and if you want to use this third-party app, then you can basically tap on the menu icon on the GB WhatsApp and then tap on the GB settings, go to privacy and security, and then you can turn on the feature that says anti-View Once. So that's pretty much how you can recover WhatsApp View Once photo. This is the only way. Unfortunately, WhatsApp in itself does not have this in their own app, so you will need to use third-party apps in order to view this multiple times. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.